Creating and managing sites in Fergus is quick and straightforward. Let's walk you through the process, starting with the Sites page at the top of Fergus. You can create sites while setting up jobs, but if you need to add one at any time, you can do it here. Simply click Add New Site in the top right corner. Enter the site's physical address and add the default main contact details below. Once everything is filled out, click Save in the bottom right corner to add the site to Fergus. To manage an existing site, click on it from the Sites page. There'll be a list on the left-hand side. Let's run through the available options. The first tab you'll see is the Contacts page. Here, you can update the main contact details, add additional contacts, and include notes specific to this site. The Address tab displays a map of the site's location. You can also update the physical or postal address details here. The Jobs tab shows a complete list of all jobs linked to the site. Use the filters to quickly narrow your search. The Notes and History tab logs activity specific to the site, making it easy to keep track of important updates and changes. Finally, we have the Files and Photos tab where you can upload and store files or photos relevant to the site, ensuring all your resources are easily accessible. Now, let's talk about archiving sites. Go to the top right corner of the page and click the three-dot menu. From there, select Archive this site to remove it from your active list while preserving the information for future reference. And that's it! You're now ready to create and manage sites efficiently in Fergus.